Understanding True Friends, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a heartwarming and essential topic, true friends. This phrase is not just about vocabulary, but it's about understanding deep cultural and emotional aspects of English-speaking societies. Let's explore what makes a friend a true friend, and how this phrase is used in everyday conversation. True friends refers to those special people in our lives who are more than just regular friends. They are the ones who stand by us through thick and thin, offering support, trust, and unconditional love. These are the friends who see us for who we truly are and accept us, flaws and all. In this section, we'll look at examples and contexts where this phrase is commonly used. Not every friend is a true friend. In this part of the video, we'll discuss the difference between true friends and mere acquaintances. True friendship is marked by depth of connection, mutual respect, and a strong bond that withstands the tests of time. We'll also touch upon how this distinction is important in English-speaking cultures. Here, we'll explore various phrases and idioms related to friendship, like, a friend in need is a friend indeed, and fair weather friend. Understanding these will not only enrich your vocabulary but also give you insight into English idiomatic expressions and how they reflect cultural values around friendships. In this section, we'll go through some practical examples and scenarios where you might use the phrase, true friends. We'll also discuss how to express gratitude and appreciation for true friends in English, which is a vital part of fostering strong relationships. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of true friends. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, it's about the emotions and cultures behind them. We hope this video helps you not only in understanding this beautiful phrase but also in appreciating the value of true friendship in English-speaking cultures. Stay tuned for more insightful language learning videos.